There are several potential pitfalls to be aware of if considering twisting three number 12 THWN wires together to make a triplex for a hot, neutral, and ground circuit. Firstly, current carrying capacity and ampacity limitations must be considered. According to the National Electrical Code, the ampacity of three twisted number 12 THWN wires is less than the combined ampacity of three separate number 12 THWN wires in conduit or cable. This is because the twisted conductors can overheat due to the lack of proper heat dissipation. The NEC states that the ampacity of three twisted number 12 THWN wires is 15 amps, while the ampacity of three separate number 12 THWN wires in conduit or cable is 20 amps. Secondly, the mechanical stress and strain must be considered. Twisting the wires together can weaken them mechanically and make them more susceptible to breaking, especially if they are subjected to repeated bending or flexing. This can be a particular concern if the wires are run through tight spaces or if they are exposed to vibration or movement. Thirdly, insulation damage can occur. Twisting the wires together can damage the insulation, which can lead to electrical shorts or ground faults. This is especially true if the wires are twisted too tightly or if the insulation is nicked or cut during the twisting process. Fourthly, grounding and bonding requirements need to be met. The NEC requires that the grounding conductor be continuous and unbroken. Twisting three wires together does not provide a reliable grounding path, as the connection can become loose or corroded over time. A proper grounding system should use the separate, dedicated grounding conductor. The NEC generally prohibits the use of twisted wires for electrical circuits. Section 300.3 of the NEC states that conductors shall not be twisted together except at terminals or splices, and Section 300.5d states that conductors of different systems, circuit, or polarity shall not be grouped together in the same raceway or cable. In summary, while twisting three number 12 THWN wires together may seem like a quick and easy way to create a triplex for a circuit, it is not recommended due to the potential safety hazards and NEC violations. It is always best to use the proper materials and techniques for electrical installations to ensure safety and compliance with code requirements.